Time for a beverage review, or I should say, time for a Bev-Rev. Today we're reviewing Rebuild Strawberry High Protein Shake, 35 grams of protein, meal replacement. It's the 7-Eleven brand. It's the 7-Eleven brand. 7 Select. Let's give it a go. Hey.
Hey, are you a VF employee?
No.
I'm sorry, I can't have you sit here.
Okay.
Thank you.
No worries.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Thank you.
Yeah. And we're on the move, 'cause we can't sit there, I guess. Look, and that's okay, we can't sit there. And that's okay if we can't sit there. We'll just go find another spot in the shade. Oh, find another spot in the shade. Spot in the shade. Alright, let's just do it here. Not in the shade, but tastes like. It tastes kind of like. It tastes a bit like strawberry yogurt. Maybe a little banana in the strawberry yogurt. Maybe a little strawberry banana yogurt. I am worried about all the ingredients in there that makes it say. That gives 7-Eleven the ability to say that there's 1 gram of sugar in here. So. I just know it's loaded with other chemicals that make it sweet. And yeah. It's fine, but I don't think I'd do it again. It tastes a bit too factory fabricated for me. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. 7-1. I'm gonna go 7-1 on this one. Maybe 7-2, that's a review. I'm gonna go 7-2, that's a review. I'm gonna go 7-2, that's a review.